To download the YouTube Music app on your phone, start by locating and opening the App Store. Once inside, you'll see various sections, including today's games, apps, arcade, and a search button. Click on the search button to access the search bar. Then type in YouTube Music. The app should appear as the first option, along with an Add or Get button. Click on this button to initiate the download process, which will prompt a confirmation tab. Confirm your choice, and the app will begin loading or downloading. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. After the download is finished, exit the App Store to locate the newly downloaded YouTube Music app. You can find it by swiping through your apps until you see the icon, which features a white background with a red circle and a triangle or play button in the middle. Downloading the YouTube Music app is a straightforward process.